Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to another JD show. Today is just the short versus. It's Tarmac versus Mini GT. Yeah, as you can see, it's the RX-7 VeilSide from Tarmac Works Global 64 and from Mini GT number 1057. And we're gonna unbox both, but to be correct, it's the Mazda RX-7 VeilSide Fortune7, and here also Mazda RX-7 VeilSide Fortune7 in gray. This one in some kind of yellow. Both brands have the Mazda Motor Corporation approval. Also here Mazda Motor Corporation approval and also licensed by VeilSide. Here it says VeilSide licensed product. So let's check these out. They are both in some kind of paper boxes. The Mini GT and the Tarmac Works. And then here you have these two models. So the packaging is kind of similar. So now I already bumped them. Yeah, first impression. It feels for me like the Tarmac Works is slightly bigger. If we can put them here. The first thing I notice is the headlights on the Mini GT are bigger than on the Tarmac. The Tarmac headlights are smaller and not fitting that well. You can see here in the close-up there's a gap between the headlight and the metal. And the black and yellow, it's not that sharp here, as you can see the paint job. It's not 100% perfect. You can see that here in the front the black is not 100% centered. It leans a bit here to the driving side, I would say. And also here in the back it looks completely different. The back looks bigger on the Tarmac version. It is also, I would say it's a bit higher. Oh, no, it's the same. I don't know, it's hard to say. The wing is a bit smaller here. This one is a bit bigger. And then we have a completely black interior here. Black seats, and here we have red seats. And then the back window. I have some more details here on the Tarmac Works. The Tarmac also has a metal base. Mini GT, of course, metal body, metal base. And as you can see here, the headlights, they look better, I would say. And the VeilSide here in the front. And also the paint jobs, and here with the, and here also the gap from the hood and The hood itself looks more detailed. I would say maybe the paint job is thicker on this one. I don't know. We have very small side mirrors. Then the VeilSide logo here in the windshield. Looking both very good. It is a bit bigger here on the Mini GT. Sorry, focus. It's a bit bigger here in the windshield. But yeah, now that I see them next to each other, the Mini GT looks kind of better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, the details here in the back are a bit different. If you see it like this here. And then that looks a bit different. This is also apart from the base. It's the... No, I think it's... Here it is part of the body. The base is just down here, ends down here. The exhaust is a separate part, I think. Same here. The rims, chrome, and here in some kind of gray, but I don't know. Let's make let's have a look on how heavy these models are. I hope you can see it like this. 0 goes up to 41 grams, and the Mini GT 47, 46. So yeah, the Mini GT one is a bit heavier, but you can already feel that in hand, I would say. It is heavier. This one is lighter. Yeah. One very nice thing is that you have reflective stickers here on the side mirrors. And we do have a rear view mirror on the inside. It is rolling very good. And then the Mini GT one, no side mirror on the inside, no rear view mirror, and no reflective stickers, just side mirrors and the red seats. What's a very nice thing, and rolling perfectly. And for me, from the sound, if you just let me put the microphone up here. Yeah, I would say you can already tell it's I don't know, lighter, and this is way heavier. Maybe also better quality of the rims or the axles. I don't know what's exactly the difference. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Paint job wise or scare wise. I don't know. I think the price point doesn't matter on these. I don't know. I think this one was more expensive, but I'm not 100% sure. It could be different in different countries. But it is, of course, a model we all been waiting for, the RX-7 VeilSide, to have it as a officially licensed premium product. So I'm glad I have both. I think Tarmac Works will also release a gray one, and there will of course be more colors by Mini GT also. An orange and black one would be awesome. And yeah, what do you guys think? Which one is better? Which one has won this battle? Yeah. I'm gonna leave this to you. Which one is better? Let me know in the comments, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, just have a great day.